consider his conduct since his release from prison. Mr. Garasek was released from prison in 2022, and since then has taken great steps towards turning his life around. By the time of the incident offense, he was working. He was employed at Erie International as an oil distillation operator and a union member. He'd been working there for 1.5 years. He did lose that job as a result of the arrest tied to this instant case and the 55 days that he spent in jail. Additionally, Your Honor, Mr. Garasek completed a period of post-release control successfully and without violation, has not had any legal trouble outside of the instant case since his release from prison. He paid $3,000 to get his license reinstated, purchased a car, and has achieved 3 years of sobriety from fentanyl. There was no drug or alcohol use on Mr. Garasek's part that played a factor in this offense. He's maintained his sobriety and upon release from the jail began to reside with his sponsor because he is active and engaged in AA. He has submitted drug screens to probation at the pre-sentence interview and those came back clean. Your Honor, based on Mr. Garasek's conduct since his release from prison and during the pendency of this matter, we're asking the court to adopt the joint resolution recommendation.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Garasek, what do you want to tell me before I impose sentence?
Just basically what Ms. Smith said. Since I got out of prison, I just turned my life around. I just knew that I couldn't live like that anymore, and I've been working, I've been sober, and I'm really trying. I did lose my job, but I got another job. I just got promoted last week, so I'm on the right path. I'm staying with my sponsor, like she said, and I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. I learned from my mistake. I'm trying not to place myself into high-risk situations, and I'm just staying to myself and working and just, trying to become successful, Your Honor.
Where, when you got out in September of 21, what have you done since then?
Since September 21, I got out. I was placed on parole for a period of, I believe, 3 years. I got off parole early because of good behavior. I've achieved sobriety. I got a union job. I paid my court costs and fines and reinstatement fees. It was over like $3,000 to get my license back. I got a brand new car. I didn't get in any trouble since this.
What did you do with regard to drug treatment?
I go to AA, NA. I went to a treatment facility called First Step Recovery, and I just been working the steps, and I just live totally different now.
Did you lose that job because of this offense? Because of being in jail?
Yeah, because of I didn't show up for like 12 consecutive days.
Did they know where you were?
Yeah.
All right. So how did you get that job in the first place?
I just I looked online on Indeed, and I knew somebody that was part of that union, and I went there and applied. And
What were you doing?
I was an oil distillation operator.
What is that?
In Paynesville Township, they have a place called Erie International, and they take food grade oil and they recycle it. So my job was to take the water out of the oil. So I basically put it like the old oil through a still, and I got the water out of it, and then I sent it to
Is that on Hardy Road?
Yeah,
All
right across.
So you joined the union and they put you there? The
Yeah.
union did?
Yeah.
So what's the difference between what you're making now and what you were making then?
About $5.
Okay. What do you do now?
I work at Royal Plastics.
What do you do?
I'm a material handler.
What hours do you work?
3:30 to midnight.
5 days a week?
Yes, sir.
What, how many, do you go to AA or NA meetings?
AA.
How many do you go to?
A couple, like 2 a week right now.
And you have a sponsor?
Yeah.
Any contact with your mom?
No,
Where does she live?
in Menor.
This whole incident seemed rather stupid.
Yeah.
I mean, why did it happen?
So I know what my mom's going through because of my past, and I came home one day and she'd been drinking, and things got out of hand. She was hitting me, and I grabbed her arm, and because of my past record, I went to jail. I
Okay,
should have
any-
just, I should have just walked out of the house, or everybody's telling me like, she's gotta want the help, you know what I mean? And it's just gonna, I love my mom to death, like, that's my mother, like, and I know what she's going through and it hurts me, but I can't be around it, so.
Okay. All right, Ms. Mulligan?
Your Honor, the state is recommending community control. We would ask if the court maintain the no contact with the victim as a condition.
Okay, I've reviewed the pre-sentence report, listened to Mr. Garasek, listened to counsel. I've also reviewed a victim impact statement in this case. I've considered all the provisions in 29, 29, 11, 12, and 13. I'm going to put you on community control for 3 years. 55 days in jail with credit for 55. No drugs or alcohol, and you'll be screened. Attend at least 3 AA or NA meetings a week and maintain a sponsor, maintain full employment. No contact with the victim, and pay the costs and supervision fees. Any other terms, Ms. Knaus?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Do you understand the terms, Mr. Garasek?
Yes, sir.
Any question about them?
No.
All right, if you don't comply, the state will file a motion to terminate your community control, and if I find you violated, then you face 18 months in prison. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, anything else, Ms. Mulligan?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Ms. Smith?